Pound yen looks to be doing kind of what I drew out before. This is probably 4 or 5 days ago I drew this out, early last week. So just coming down, just retracing, taking its time the first week of the month, moving right down to this zone, this 180 level. Might actually do it tonight even. It's got another 68 pips to go before it hits that, and then yeah, we're gonna see what it does once it hits this area. But I am still looking for a long position all the way up to 188 for the month, the full 800 pip range. As long as price comes down to this area and rejects, and then shows me good price action, you know, higher highs, higher lows on the lower time frames, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and then I need to see some engulfing candles and see that the bulls are entering the market again, and you know they're all ready to buy it up. So I'm just gonna let it keep coming down here a little bit below this 180 level, and then obviously yeah, we'll just wait for price to enter it. We'll see it reject, we'll set our stop just below those wicks, and then yeah, look for a long position, target the full monthly move. There's no sense in targeting anything less, because if price breaks this area, and it should have the momentum to break it, if all the buying comes in right here, there should be enough momentum to push through this zone and then head up all the way to 188-ish, because I don't think there's any previous areas. Oh, there is one here. Okay, so this might test us. So we got on a monthly aspect, we got a good area here of resistance. So our target zone of 188's pretty much in the middle of this zone. So but who knows, it might make it a little bit into the zone, and then you know might only make it to 180, 187, or you know top or like 186-ish. This zone starts at 186, so that might pose a threat to our full 800 pips. But if we only make 600, I mean, I'm not too mad at that either. So yeah, wait for price to come below this 180 level, wait for it to reject, wait for all the confirmations, then enter a long position and target the full 800 pips, which according to the monthly ATR, the range is 800, so it's actually just above it. So I do feel super safe. I think the yen is very weak, so because all these other currencies, they just raised the interest rates on the pound as well. I think it's at 5.5 or 5.25 or something. So the pound is one of the highest interest rates now, so it's just going to gain value that way. And the yen will depreciate because they have negative interest rates. So just on a fundamental level like that, the pound versus the yen, I mean, is going to be very bullish still. So yeah, it's pound yen. Moving on.